Hello, my friend. If someone said the word uneven, does it remind you of your shopping list of problems? Is your uneven spine, ribs, or shoulders causing you pain? If you are suffering from upper back pain, you are not alone. Our friend Max also experienced this. Using the natural method, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the pain. Let's get started. Both hands in this position and stretch downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back in a circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you rotate, please make a large circular motion. 3, 4, 5. Stretch to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down and move your head in a clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands out in that position and shake it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it's hard. Keep on going. 2, 3, 4, 5. Shake your hand in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will feel the tension at the top of your back if you are doing it correctly. 4, 5. Hold your fist. Stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will feel the tension in your neck and shoulders if you are stretching all the way. 4, 5. Stretch back and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And drop your hands down. Do this exercise twice a day to start with. If you want to know how long you need to do it for, send me a message by clicking here or contact me on WhatsApp.